Greetings all. Today I want to talk about the Motorola 6809. This is another processor that was brought out in the late 70s, early 80s. Its attributes is an 8-bit data bus, 16-bit address bus. That's very similar to the others. This one has two 8-bit accumulators that can be combined into one 16-bit accumulator. Has two 16-bit index registers, the X and the Y. Two 16-bit stack pointers, one for system, one for user. The condition code register for your status flags. A direct page register for zero page-like addressing, a 16-bit address counter which allows 64 kbytes of 64,000 addresses. It has an orthogonal instruction set, which means virtually any instruction can be used with any mode of addressing. It supports position-independent code, which means the program counter can address relocatable code, which is crucial for ROM and RAM flexibility in early operating systems. The two stack pointers is a good part for multitasking or re-entrant code, which in the day was very rare in 8-bit processors. And due to the two 8-bit accumulators, you can do 16-bit operations. Another unusual aspect or function in 8-bit processors at the time, and as far as I know, this was probably the only one, or maybe one of possibly two, that has a built-in 8x8 hardware multiplier. Gives you a 16-bit output. There are 59 main instructions. Despite its technical strengths, 6809 had limited commercial success due to several factors. One was cost. It was more expensive than the 6502, and it was more expensive than the succeeding Z80, or the later part Z80. The complexity was a little bit of overkill for most applications. Most applications didn't need that much complexity. Timing, it was released right at the 16-bit transition, so most companies were going toward the 16-bit processors and leaving the 8-bitters behind. It did have some success in the Tandy Radio Shack color computer. But that's about the only real commercial success that it achieved. Some people say that the 6809 is a bridge between the 8-bit and 16-bit CPUs, which I guess to a degree it is. Let's see, is that about all? I think. Oh, another company that integrated the 6809 into their product line was Southwest Technical Products out of San Antonio, Texas. They used it in the SWTPC 6809 computer. So that's going to cover most of the highlights for the 6809. I think the next one will be the Z80. So until then, adios.